Time to shop at the tree again, and as usual, the tree is absolutely treeing. I can't wait to show you guys what I found this week. Let's get into it. Well, I stopped looking for the pink cowgirl collection and it found me just like I thought it would. Oh my gosh, if you've been following me, I've been looking everywhere for this collection. So in true Ione fashion, we've got a bunch of new lashes. Some of these have clear bands, which I really appreciate. I kind of like those a little bit better lately than the ones with the dark bands. We have two lip and cheek tints in Annie Red and Bonnie Pink. We have two pout paints in Cheyenne Pink and Liberty Coral. The coral does not look coral to me at all. It's a real red. We also have lip shine gloss in Dakota Pink, liquid eyeliner in Molly Black. We have three different blushes in Gracie Coral, Shiloh Brown, which I picked up, and Cali Pink. I absolutely love the packaging on these, and they're very easy to use. The applicators are very nice. This is the other lip gloss in Winona Peach. I picked that one up. And then we have some eyeshadows, Millie Purple, Sierra Teal, and Shimmer Teal. And of course, the wonderful mascara. I got two of those. I also ended up getting the Shimmer Purple, which I kind of had to dig for. The entire collection, everything that I bought is a 10 out of 10. I've heard some mixed reviews on the eyeshadows, but the eyeshadow that I got, I love. And the lip glosses are so nice and thick. I love them. Next, I found a bunch of Mineral Fusion glosses. These are closeouts. I've tried them. They're really very nice and thick. I think they would make great toppers on some very nice sort of pigmented lip products, either a stain or a lipstick or even a matte lipstick. That one would probably be nice by itself. It's got a lot of pigment in it. I picked up 3 of these to try out. I also found the Maybelline Sensational Gloss. This has a little bit more shimmer to it, but also a very nice quality product. I found the Orchid Makeup Cleansing Wipes in Fresh Scent. They are individually wrapped, and you get 15 per bag. Keo has a curl enhancing spray. I did pick up one to try. It looks really nice. There are some really good ingredients in this, and I love a good closeout. I also found this curl enhancing spray by Reventin Clinical. I think I'm saying that correctly. And it has some very nice ingredients as well. I found these cute Sophie hair scrunchies and these really nice hair elastics. They almost look like jewelry, like bracelets if you wear them on your arms and then put them in your hair periodically. This was a nice closeout by Wet n Wild. I like a sparkly nail polish. There's also these nail polishes by Mineral Fusion. These are really beautiful. I think we've seen similar polishes before at the Dollar Tree, and they're a little bit more sheer, but you can build them up, and that's a really nice top coat. I like those a lot. These are still in stock at my store. Some people have said that they haven't seen them. I hope they'll be coming to your store if you'd like to try them out. Extra Care has 2 new deodorant sprays that are duping Degree and Old Spice. They are both antiperspirant and deodorants. Now, are these repackaged or are they newly formulated? So these are the Be Pure portable soap wipes. I have the old formulation and I really like them. These are newly formulated and new to the Dollar Tree Brazilian Flora and Brazilian Soul hand creams. This is a really nice new Freeman mask. It's an anti-stress clay mask. I feel like some of the other closeouts have really eclipsed Freeman, but Freeman's such a great brand at the Dollar Tree. This package has 3 face masks all in that package. These are new body scrubs in our favorite scents. So first here is Pineapple Sunset, and then Cabana Kiwi, Tropical Coconut, and Passion Fruit Escape are also in here. And of course, they correspond with the body sprays. So good. This is a new closeout. I've not seen this before. It is Double Z Calming 2-in-1 Bath Soap and Scrub. Looks really nice. I got to try it out. New for the kiddos, Minnie Mouse and Bluey 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I know that when my kids were young, they liked to get this stuff. It made bath time a little bit more fun. And I also found this COWGIRL closeout. I was actually looking everywhere for this. It's a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. I can't wait to try it out. I do have some dark spots on my body. And this closeout, people are raving about the Neo Gold Collagen and Rosewater Facial Mist. This is BioPure Tattoo Care Lotion. This is vitamin B's, 2 of them, and vitamin E. It's supposed to help your tattoos stay as bright as possible. This is an insect bite suction tool by TheraPlus. I think it's similar to the Bite Buddy I got last week. And for everyone who loves the vitamin C glow line, my store was restocked with every single item. I did kind of like the serum, but I buy my vitamin C elsewhere because I don't find vitamin C at the Dollar Tree to be effective. I found this Ashley Bell Epsom salts in lavender scent. And now into toys. This cushion was really cool. It's a PS cushion for $3. That would be a great addition to a gaming room or a gaming nook. That is just such a fun buy. I also found this axolotl sun catcher, which I almost bought for myself. He is so adorable, but there were several sun catchers at the Dollar Tree, this dinosaur, as well as a Belle sun catcher. There were also figurines. We have Belle and Ariel, and also some Barbie pets, which is a really nice buy. If your kid has a Barbie set, you can get all the pets at Dollar Tree for $1.75. There were also some Peppa Pig figurines and Stitch, which I think is a great buy at the Dollar Tree because those are going to be more expensive elsewhere. My Little Pony and Minnie Mouse. I love all of these finds in the toy section. This is new. I haven't seen this before. It is a Wish necklace. I believe it glows and plays a tune. So that is a really great buy for $1.75. And more sun catchers, Stitch, Belle and Dinosaur again, and some boba tea cups, which are adorbs. This is my one odd and end. This is a Rayovac LED flashlight with 50 lumens. It says that it is an easy grip and easy to use flashlight. Well, that's everything I found this trip at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to have to go back out to see what else they have soon. Thanks for shopping with me. Until next time, take care.